Hello, it's day 27 and today's activity is play an outdoor game. So we've got outdoor skittles to play with numbers on, which gives you points, and the one with the highest point score is the winner. And he's over there sunbathing and adjudicating as referee. Are you referee? Yeah? Good boy. Another go. Look at the dog. Oh, you missed. Oh no, he's gonna go get it. Can I have it? Can I have it? Thanks. You playing too? Come on then. Oh no. Look what he's doing. Oh no. Oh no, the dog caught it. Come on. No, go on in. Come on. You're not a very good referee. No. Okay. Oh, he caught it before I got to have a go. You're going to have to go in. Stop it. Come on. Now. Come on. Not quite going to clap, is it? Come on. What's Mum got for you? Yeah, you can play with your one then. That's it. Ready? Well done. Come on out of the way, referee! Move your bum, ref! Yes! Finally! What have you knocked over? 1, 5 and 7. So that's 13, isn't it? You've got 13 and I'm on 8. Yes, go me! Hold up for a second. So I got 8, 9, 6 and 4. So that's 10. Plus 8 I already have. 27 plus 8. 30 of 30 Days Wild. I have reached the end of the month, the end of the challenge. I'm really sad about it because it's gone so quickly. I can't believe how quickly this month has gone. So for my day 30 activity, I just thought I'd have a quick reflection on what I've been up to, what's been my favourite moment, what I found hard about the challenge, and kind of maybe going forward, what am I going to be taking with me going forward from what I've learned and what I've been up to and what I've enjoyed from the whole activities. So I thought I would crack open a Copperberg alcohol-free mixed fruit cider glass bottle, so I can definitely make sure it gets recycled in my vintage Stella Artois style glass. There we go, it smells lovely. There we go. Pop that with the belt thingy. There we go. And it's just a bit of a cheers to me for sticking the challenge out, because to be honest, at times it has felt really tough keeping myself motivated to find different things to do, because I wanted every day to feel like it was different. So I feel like that's been the toughest element of these 30 days, is kind of the endurance to it and kind of the stamina and the thought processes behind choosing something to do and then kind of seeing it through. And probably the most enjoyable part of it was actually doing the activities every day. I've done something that I've enjoyed and that I've really kind of revelled in. So I heard something behind me there. I'd say my favourite day was definitely going paddleboarding. That was so much fun. It was an activity that I wasn't really sure I was going to enjoy or that I was going to be any good at, and on both counts it felt like I did a really good job. I really enjoyed it, and actually I would like to give that a go again. That's really nice. I've not tried that before. That's so good. I just can't believe the challenge is over. I feel a little bit speechless about it, and I'm definitely going to try and implement more challenges and tasks and activities within my kind of daily life going forward and throughout, so that I feel like I kind of maintain this connection to nature and the natural world that I've kind of developed and grown over the last 30 days. I definitely feel like I've come away with more knowledge, more understanding, and just really this deep-seated passion to hold on to every little piece of nature that can be held onto and do my part and play my part in keeping like this momentum going and helping out the planet and the environment, and specifically kind of like within my local area, because that's where I can be most well applied. And I just feel more grounded and more chilled and zen when I've done something that's outdoors and in nature, particularly out walking or any kind of activity of being outside, really, any exercise. Just going to kind of sit and take in the tiny little bit of bird song that's out there. Would I say there are any kind of like surprise activities that I enjoyed more than I thought I would? I'd say the outdoor meditation and yoga, actually. I really enjoyed that session. I think that would be something that I'd like to take forward with me and give more of a go in the future. I'm hoping to see more wildlife within my garden. There's things that I'm going to hopefully try and implement and kind of see through, so that I get a wider variety of wildlife in the garden. I can hear some birds just up there. But I would definitely wholeheartedly recommend taking the challenge on, or trying throughout the year of finding ways where you can kind of have, like, I don't know, 7 days wild where you do something for 7 days, or do 4 consecutive weekends within a month if you don't have that kind of availability of time to be able to dedicate to doing it for 30 days. I've also done a diary as part of like the online pack that was created with the Wildlife Trust, so I will try and find a way of kind of putting that on my social media somewhere in case anybody's interested in seeing what I felt and thought and put into written word on those days on top of the vlogs that I'm going to be uploading. But yeah, definitely give 30 Days Wild a go. It will be back next June 2023, and in the meantime, you know, there's 12 months of expanding your knowledge about the natural world, getting out there, doing something that benefits yourself or benefits the environment. Go litter picking, go walking, do a beach clean, join a group, find people that you know you feel like you can converse with over climate or environmental or biodiversity issues, and I will see you in the next video.